So I'm pretty sure we have all seen this trend, trying to be that girl on TikTok and YouTube. That girl that eats healthy, works out, journals, and just overall is productive with her day. I will be trying it out, and my thoughts about the trend and how it is overall maybe toxic or a positive trend will be explained at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my lemon water. It's actually really good. You know, at first I was seeing everybody drinking it and stuff like that. I was like, oh, is it even good and stuff? But it just tastes like lemonade with no sugar. So yeah, but I'm trying to drink this whole thing. I feel like I drink a lot, but I've only drinking that much. I'm trying to drink all of this before I go to the gym. So I'm gonna drink it while I am journaling. I'm about to start journaling. And yeah, obviously you guys know what the video is. It's trying to be that girl for a day. And all of my thoughts and stuff about it will be at the end of the video. I wanna get started journaling because I have not been journaling like I used to be. ETA, it is, I think 8:30. I woke up at 6 o'clock, but my phone was dead. So I couldn't film. Just lay back down and let my phone charge, and then I got back up at 7. And yeah, we're just gonna get started journaling. Guys, I just got dressed to go to the gym. I'm about to wake up my sister because that's who I'm going to the gym with. It was just raining, but it's not raining anymore, thank God, because I did not want to drive in rain to the freaking gym. But yeah, we're about to go to the gym. Let's work out. I've been wanting to work out. Me and my sister got a Planet Fitness membership, so we've been working out a lot.
You talk about the hippie? What is the hippie? Where did the name come from, hippie? Why don't you about the younger generation, the people who are changing? Why don't you talk about the people who know what's happening?
We just got done working out and it is now like 11:30, so I'm about to go back home and start making some breakfast because I'm really hungry, and I feel like we've been here for only a little while and it's been like 2 hours, so yeah. Guys, so I have made my breakfast. I got my avocado toast. As you guys can see, first of all, it's a little runny, okay? It's a little runny because I had to take so many pictures. Being that girl is kind of hard. How are you stopping to take pictures every 2 seconds? Like, I had to like literally find the angle and everything. It tastes good. I'm kind of like putting my toast together. Hey guys, I just ran up the stairs, but I'm about to wash my hair because my hair is so dirty. It was in braids and I took it out of the braids and I put it in a bun because I had work. But now it's time to wash it finally. I'm gonna take a shower because I just got back from the gym, and then I'll see you guys when we do skincare. So right now I'm about to do a face mask. That's like the next step on being that girl, is doing a face mask. This is very essential. This is a Korean face mask, as you can tell by the characters. It was actually a sheet mask. I usually use, like, when I put on mask, I usually get like the clay mask. So this is a little bit new. Never use sheet masks, but like that's how they take a lot of their pictures, is with sheet masks. I feel like they never fit my face. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm gonna let it sit. Well, it says to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, so maybe just 20 minutes. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. guys, so I am done with my hair and my skincare, and then I have on like, you know, a basic but plain cute outfit for the house. Right now I am about to look at some emails, make sure all my stuff is good for school in the fall, and then I'm gonna study Korean after that. And yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna work now. It's 4:43. Yeah, I know I had a lot of stuff to do in between of this video, but I am finally able to take care of my work, and it feels like I've had a very productive day. So let's get to that. Let's get into my take on this whole trend. So obviously the people that portray this trend, or the people that, like, if you look up the trend, people that are on the trend, usually they don't look like me, or they might not look like you, which is why I can see certain toxic sides of the trend. But to me, I don't think the trend should be toxic, because for me, this is what I would do on a productive day. This is what I would want to do. Realistically, the things that they do every day is not realistic, because some days you just want to sleep in all day, which I do every day. I wake up at 1 o'clock, but this is very unrealistic. Like, I mean, probably if you're feeling really productive, like, this could happen, or if you're just a productive person overall, this will be able to happen every day. But guys know society sets unrealistic standards and stuff like that. To me, this trend should just be about you doing self-care, loving your body, and getting your shit together. That's what I think this trend is. Of course, the people under the trend, or the people that portray the trend, don't look like me, which is okay. I see that aspect. And then people wanting to better themselves, feeling like they might get judged, because let's be honest, the people that portray the that girl trend are white and are really skinny. So a lot of us are not that. So I can see how that can be super toxic, because you can't change yourself to be that girl. You know what I mean? You can just be you, which is fine, because just be you. I'm being me. I think taking certain aspects and implementing it in my routine is great. But when we say to be that girl, don't be like her, because you're not her. If you obviously don't look like her, don't expect yourself to, oh, this is what everybody wants to be, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, but just take this trend with a grain of salt. A lot of the people that are doing the trend are doing it wholeheartedly, like just trying to better themselves and get their stuff together. Plus, I needed this because every day has been feeling like the same. So yeah, I'm talking too much. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because we literally hit 1.3K. Like, oh my god, that is so crazy. Thank you guys so much. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, literally. But just know that I'm grateful and I'm thankful for everybody that watches my videos. Like, thank you so much. Okay guys, remember that peace and love makes the world go around. So spread positivity and love, and it'll come back to you. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't did that outro in a long time. Bye, love you.